Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to V Tutorials. Congratulations to all Catizen players. Catizen is being launched on bybit pre-market spot trading. Okay, so if you having Catizen now, like if you're mining Catizen, congratulations to you. Catizen is also one of the latest mining crypto mining that is found also on telegrams. Okay, which has also been doing well, and it has also secured a mind of over 150 million people. Okay, so before I go further, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do what subscribe, like our videos, and also share our videos. For this channel, we'll be bringing you a lot of opportunity that will allow you to make money online, and also a lot of skills acquisitions programs that will be running here. So if you have any interest in like engaging on real training with me, I will drop my like telegram channel link, group channel, so that you can just join the groups. Okay, so if you want me to teach you anything, you can just go ahead and name your skills that you want to learn, and I will put you through. The bill is not much though, it's affordable. So where is this Catizen found? Catizen is found on Telegram. So let's dive into the Telegram and see what is going on there. So this is the Catizen. Okay, I'll be dropping my referral link at the descriptive section of this very video so that you can use it to like sign up. Okay, so just join faster so that you can be among those who will be sharing the airdrop in the nearest future. Okay, so next thing you just need to do, as usual, if you're conversant to what is it called? If you're conversant to Hamster, this is almost the same thing. So you're gonna go into click on play. If you click on play, you will exercise patient a little for it to load. After it is loaded, you'll see something of this nature popping up. So we're gonna go into look at how really we can play this Hamster combat. Okay, so we're gonna go into cancel this. You can check carefully after combat if anywhere you see two. Okay, anywhere you see three here, you're gonna going to join it with three. You see, 3 to 3. We're gonna going to make it 3 to 3 as well. 4 to 4. Yeah, 4 to 4 as well. So the game here is very simple. All you just need to do is to start playing it and keep enjoying your coin. So secure coin now prior to the airdrop distributions time. I'll be dropping my referral link so that you can use it to sign up. There's no big deal about that. So let's try playing the game to see. Thanks. 你好 I say simple. شكرا. 多謝. Wow. Merci. 多謝. Bonsoir. 你好. مرحبا. Merci. Hi. 多謝. 你好. شكرا. 多謝. Hey, hey. So you can see this is actually very simple for you to play. So join Catizen now. I'll be dropping my referral link. Join Catizen now so that you can be among the lucky people that will be getting the airdrop. Okay, so thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.